Hello and welcome to my channel, Detail and Drive. If you're passionate about vehicles of all types, from powerful SUVs to compact machines that get the job done, you're in the right place. Here, we explore the latest in automotive design, performance, and technology, bringing you detailed insights to help you understand what makes each machine special. Today, we're diving into a unique and impressive addition to the compact tractor world, the 2026 Honda Mighty 13. This compact powerhouse is creating quite a buzz among farmers, gardeners, and landowners alike, and it's easy to see why. Let's explore what makes the Mighty 13 a standout in its category. First off, the design. The 2026 Honda Mighty 13 has been built with practicality and durability in mind. It features a compact yet robust frame that allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces while still maintaining a strong presence on the field. Honda's attention to detail in the build quality is immediately visible. Every line, angle, and curve is functional, giving the tractor a modern, efficient appearance. Under the hood, the Mighty 13 is equipped with a 13-horsepower engine that runs with Honda's signature reliability. It may be compact, but don't underestimate it. This little beast can handle a variety of tasks, from plowing and tilling to towing and hauling small loads. With low fuel consumption and a quiet engine, it's also ideal for residential use without creating too much noise or fuss. One of the biggest highlights is its user-friendly operation. The tractor comes with a smooth hydrostatic transmission that allows for effortless forward and reverse motion. Whether you're a seasoned tractor operator or a beginner, the controls are intuitive and easy to learn. The comfortable seat and ergonomic handle placements add to the overall convenience, ensuring long hours of work don't feel like a chore. Let's talk about features. The 2026 model includes LED work lights for better visibility during early morning or evening tasks, an adjustable rear hitch system, and optional attachments for mowing, grading, and more. Honda has also prioritized safety, with rollover protection and a stable chassis that ensures a balanced ride, even on uneven terrain. In terms of maintenance, the Mighty 13 is designed to be as low hassle as possible. With easy access engine components and clear indicators, routine checks and upkeep are quick and straightforward. All in all, the 2026 Honda Mighty 13 compact tractor brings together power, reliability, and efficiency in a compact form factor. Whether you're maintaining a large backyard, managing a small farm, or just need a reliable helper around your property, this machine could be a game changer. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews and walkarounds right here on Detail and Drive. See you in the next video.